Hi, I'm Amy of Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to crinkle your vintage seam binding. Let's get started. At an auction I went to recently, I purchased several boxes of sewing items, and one of the things in the boxes is this rayon seam binding. It is in a army green color, and I wanted to show you how easy this is to crinkle this type of seam binding in order to use as a ribbon at the bottom of my punch needle make do projects. It just adds a little bit of interesting texture to the projects. So I'm going to take and measure out 3 yards of the seam binding, and then I'm going to just dip it in a bowl of water and just squeeze it out, and you want to leave it all crinkly and balled up and let it dry. And then I'm also going to do another length of it in some coffee. I made up some instant coffee. I like to use instant coffee for my dyeing because I can make it as dark as I want, and it just gives it a grungier look. So this is a good way to grunge the ribbon if you want it to appear old and primitive. So again, just dip it in the water, the coffee, squeeze out the excess, and leave it crinkled up in a ball to dry. It is dry now, and as you can see, it's nice and crinkly, just perfect for putting on the bottom of punch needle make do's. And this is the ribbon that I made with just plain water, and then this is the ribbon that I did in the coffee dye. There's a little bit of different. This one is a lot softer feeling. This one has a little bit of a crusty feel to it. There's some areas where you can definitely see that it's got some dye to it, but I think because it's such a dark color, it really didn't take dye as much. I've done some other colors here, and I've added dye too, and the lighter colors, it shows up a lot better. You can see on this pink, it just changes the coloring from kind of here's a good example, a light blue, it changes it to kind of a darker, dirty looking blue. I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.